personality. Far and about all over, it was heard worldwide, crying out, come over. We're looking out there to recruit unique, unusual, exotic fruit. Personality and lots of class to boot. Lots of personality. Personality and lots of class to boot. Oh, yeah. The fig and the kiwi, the mango and the cherry, the lime and the peach and the sour gooseberry, papaya and the pear, pomelo and the plum and the passion fruit. They came like a train, distilled for the name. One by one, they were all told the same. You just don't cut it, you don't make the grade. What we're looking for is a fruit with personality. Bum 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 ba da pomegranate, bum 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 ba da pomegranate, bum 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 ba da pomegranate. Yeah. Bum 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 ba da pomegranate, bum 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 ba da pomegranate, bum 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 ba da pomegranate. Bum 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 ba da pomegranate, bum 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 ba da pomegranate. 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 Bum 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 ba da pomegranate.
The apple was too plain.
The plum was a prune.
The grape was a raisin.
The date was too sticky.
The persimmon was too dry.
And the ugly was just plain ugly. The date and the melon, the lychee and the lemon, the nut and the grape and the tart persimmon, banana and the currant, kumquat and the quince and the coconut. They came like a train, distilled for the name. One by one, they were all told the same. You just don't cut it, you don't make the